Who is this? Oh, why nagbablurred? So may ano ba to? United States. Dito ba bumagsak yung ano? Ah, this is the Mercury 7. What's up guys, it's me again, Alvar, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is I'm gonna give you a tour. We're here at the Grand Turk and Caicos Island. Isa ito sa mga cruise destination. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and watch the whole video. And please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, dalawang barko po yung nakadaong ngayon dito, which is barko ng Carnival. One is the Sunrise and Paradise. So as you can see guys, is the whole Grand Turk. Not the whole, part of the Grand Turk. Ayan. So I'm gonna give you a tour kung ano yung mga magagandang tanawin na makikita ninyo once nag-cruise kayo dito sa Grand Turk or mapunta man kayo dito sa Grand Turk. So ayan. So ang Grand Turk pala guys, well known pala sila doon sa doon sa mga 7 astronaut na bumagsak dito, which is yung, if you are familiar with the tinatawag silang the Mercury 7. So makikita nyo mamaya sa video na to kung yung replika ng spaceship na bumagsak dito sa dagat ng Grand Turk. Ayan, so napakalawak na lugar na to. Yan, so marami din mga turista nandito ngayon. So one-stop shop siya guys. Pag-uba nyo ng barko, lakad na ng konti. At then may mga shops na pwede nyong bilhan ng mga souvenirs. Ayan, meron din po ditong Starbucks. Meron din resort dito. Ayan, marami pa mga amenities na pwedeng i-offer ang Grand Turk. So yan pala yung friend ko na si Hasmin. Ayan, so later on makikita nyo yung sinasabi kong the Mercury 7. Sila po yung tinatawag na Mercury 7 dahil sila po yung mga astronaut na nag-explore sa outer space, and then yung spaceship nila is bumagsak or dito bumagsak sa karagatan ng Grand Turk. So enjoy the video guys, and then forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you so much. So let's go. Mura lang ba mga damit dyan, girl? Ano ko naman yung jacket eh. So papasok tayo dito ngayon, which is merong astronaut. Bakit merong ganyan? Splashdown Grand Turk. Oh, it's like the... Who is this? Oh, why nagbablurred? So may ano ba to? United States. Dito ba bumagsak yung ano? Ah, this is the Mercury 7. Oh, this is the Mercury 7 astronaut first explores America's first astronaut landed here, maybe here at Grand Turk. So that's why. See that one? So that why there's a spaceship there. Spaceship ba yan? So ayan. Hindi ko na babasahin isa-isa. See that one? Yeah. This is the replica of the Princip 7 capsule carried by John Glenn on his historic orbital flight on February 20, 1962. The capsule was 9 feet long and 6 feet across at its base, and it returned in 50,000. Ayan siya guys. So, the replica of the capsule that the astronaut used going to the moon. Ciao. Here's the symbolic Mercury 7. Oh, that's the meaning of that. So, soul, their spirit, matter, and astrological symbol. Oh yeah. So sobrang init dito, baliktad naman sa Miami, sobrang lamig. So carry lang na. Ito pala si Jasmine.
Annyeong.
Ah, Korean po yan. Fake. So,
Korean ang hilaw.
ikot-ikot muna kami dito for a moment kasi kano ba yung mga, bakit Ronjun? Ah, Ronjun Short Shop. May pangalan naman ng brand.
Ice cream tayo dun. Masarap po yung ice cream dito eh.
Saan?
Ayun eh.
Saan ice cream?
Bon. Kala ko nga bonchon eh.
Bonnie. Diyos ko, ang konti naman, ganyan lang. Isang scoop. Nagsawa sa ice cream sa barko. Bon ice cream. Anong pinagkaiba ng ice cream nila dito? Picture. So, bibili daw ako muna ng ice cream. Grand Torque Cruise Center. So, here we go. So, stopover ice cream. Mm. Kain tayo, guys.
Hindi ko gets what.
$6 fucking shit. Charing. Lalamig ka pa, mainit na nga. Ay, may swimming pool pala dyan eh. Pero may swimming pool pa dun. Uy. May swimming pool. May swimming pool oh. Oh, there's a swimming pool out there. Nakabidyo.
One more time, ladies and gentlemen, if you're just coming into Margaritaville, the first game starts in 15 minutes. We're going to be playing a drinking game. Of course, and all you need to do is grab your drink and a souvenir cup.
Ka na lalabas.
Surgeon General saying you shouldn't smoke.
Ano, uy, ang init oh. Oh, parang isang ano lang. Malabo.